Welcome to Yardie's Kitchen, and today I'm in my food prep vibes, and I'm gonna be doing some ginger garlic paste today. I've been watching a lot of Asian, Indian, and Oriental dishes, Japanese and them something them I like watch them something there, because I find that their ingredients is usually fresh and usually more plant-based, and so one of the things that I see them add a lot to when they're doing their dish is ginger and garlic, and they make the what is called a garlic ginger paste. And I thought to myself, why not just make some for myself? I've already made green seasoning. I am exploring a lot of those stuff. Why? Because what I find is when you're doing vegetarian food, one of the reasons why I wouldn't do a lot of vegetarian food is because we can't come prepare the ingredients. Sometimes you just want to cut up some zucchini, throw it in the pot and do something with it. But because you know you have to go cut up onion, garlic, sometimes you're just not interested, you know. And so I thought to myself, if I can do a prep, if I can have these things in bottles and store them up, you know, for the week, then we can use them, you know, in a faster, quicker, more convenient way. And so I've already explored the green seasoning, but today I'm gonna be doing my garlic ginger paste, and I promise you guys, if you stick around, you're gonna enjoy it. So watch this. I'll show you what I do and how I do it. So I've spent the last 35 minutes, you know, just peeling garlic. Lord Jesus, that's so much garlic. I never know there's so much garlic, but hey, it worth it. I'm gonna peel the ginger as well. All right, so I'm gonna put them on my scale and see how much poundage I have. Yeah, let me show you my scale over here. So yeah, and his kitchen scale always good to have. Yeah, so let me see. All right, so this says is 8.85 ounce of ginger. See that? All right, now I'm gonna do the garlic. And the garlic is just under a pound. That's 12 ounce. How much ounce make a pound? 16 ounce? How much? Almost a pound. Me no know. Cause me do cooking, me no do maths. 16. Oh, me check them, me did right then. Me did right. So all in all is about a pound and a fourth, or a pound and a quarter between the ginger and the garlic. So the proportion is just right. All right, so now I'm gonna just wash these properly, and then we start with the food processing. Yes. So I'm just gonna put the ginger with the garlic, you know. Yeah, so as me say, see, you know, sometimes you know in your heart say you want this thing, what you know what's on the inside of you, you know, and it's like it just to get it out. Sometimes everybody need a little guidance. Everybody needs somebody who can be a mentor to them. Encourage you. Yeah. In a certain direction. Yeah. Or against a certain direction. You see, like how Kino never give up on me when it comes to the gym. And him call me, and even though I say I'm not gonna gym and whatever, him still call and say come out to the gym. That you want somebody in your life who can help you with that. Like help you like that. You know? Oh boy. Everybody needs somebody like that. Everybody needs somebody like that. You know, if you follow the system try to tell you, oh, you need yourself, you don't need nobody. That's not true. We weren't created to be individual, you know, as it deal with life. We were created to be communal, to live in a group. Or some people would go as far as to say, oh, just look to Jesus. Yeah. God used people. God used people. Yeah. Yeah. Jesus was a person. You take away the personality of Jesus and make him into an abstract.
Exactly. And of course God could have provided everything with Jesus' name, but he still got everything through people on earth.
Exactly. Exactly. You know, so it means that we need people, you know. Anyway, I just may ramble on. Alright, so this, what I've done now is I have basically cut up my ginger. I don't think I need to cut the onions them, but if it can't process in the processor, I go cut them up. And then now we're gonna process now. That's what we're gonna do next. So now I am pulsing. Just pulsing my my ingredients. Again, guys, I don't have one of those expensive food processors. I wish I did, but this little one has to suffice. So bear with me. And I have to do this in batches. It will not puree out to, you know, like 100% perfect, but I'm gonna make use of it anyway and do the best I can. And I'm just gonna be doing it in batches and add more as I go along. I add more ingredients, you know, until I get it to the stage where I want it. I'm not adding any water. What I may do is add a little oil to help with the preservation, because this, as it is now, will last about 10 days in the refrigerator. But I will add some coconut oil and see if it can last up to a month. There is a way in which you can do it, which is to quickly saute it in the pot with the coconut oil. I may or may not do that. I don't know if I want to do that. I might just add the coconut oil and mix it in and make it blend. But let's see what happens. It's a work in progress, guys. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is, as it is now, the garlic ginger can last for about say 10 days, right? In this state. I've been, you know, I'm not done crush it and thing, but so it can last about 10 days. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some of this coconut oil, 2 tablespoons, and by adding the coconut oil, I'm blending it with the coconut oil. Maybe put about 3 tablespoons. It may last quite a considerable time, much longer, maybe more than a month. Now I'm using coconut oil because of 2 things. Coconut oil goes to solid when the temperature changes. It is liquid at room temperature, but it goes to solid when the temperature changes. So for instance, if I put this in the fridge, it will immediately goes to solid, and that in itself will preserve my ginger garlic paste. If you didn't know this, a lot of the ice cream that you buy, store-bought ice cream that you buy, are coconut oil them use. Yeah. And derivatives of coconut oil, because they know that coconut oil goes solid, and so it preserves the product longer. And that's the trick to it. So when you want to use this, you just take up a spoonful of it, but it will turn out to be like a real paste by using the coconut oil as the oil derivative. That's the word, oil derivative. Oil something, you know what I mean? Oil something, the oil something. All right. So let me finish blend up this thing here. Now it is not blending, it's emulsifying. Yeah, me I thought knew the big things. Yes, batch number 2. The movement is here. I have a napkin. Batch number 2. Alright, I can't have to judge this because I don't want to mess up the spoon. Put in my little oil, and coconut oil, it just changed the whole fragrance of the thing and just make it smell so nice. And guys, remember this, use less garlic no, not less garlic, less ginger. If you want the garlic to be stronger, use less ginger, because the ginger is much more aromatic than the garlic, I promise you. And so if you put the same amount of ginger as garlic, you're gonna get more of a ginger smell than a garlic smell per se, and you know, vice versa. And as I said before, it is not gonna be totally pureed. You know, it's gonna be like a very fine chop. But I like the consistency. As a matter of fact, there are some little garlic cloves still in the batch that I did here. I'm gonna pick them out and drop them back into the food processor to make sure that everything is uniformly chopped. All right. Oh yeah, I'm gonna never get to tell you though, guys. If you want, you can add salt, but the real way to do it, or I wouldn't say the real way, the preferred way to do it is to not add salt, because when you add salt, you will forget that you have salt already in this thing and go add more salt to your dish, and you can end up making your dish too salt. So I'm doing it without salt. You can add salt if you want. All right, fine, cool. Yeah, let's go again. All right. So there it is, guys. It is finished. Yes. See, what I do now, I make sure I put some coconut oil on the top there. Yeah, then clean out the food processor properly with some coconut oil, with the coconut oil. And you just pretty much want to, you know, just use your spatula and just make sure that everything, the oil cover every, you know, all of the, yeah. And this will store in your refrigerator. And I'm gonna be trying to make as much dish as possible with it, so that you can see how I incorporate it in my recipes, you know. Yeah, see that, man? I'm so happy with the result. It is not pureed or pureed or whatever the word is, out till you can recognize the pieces of you know, garlic and ginger. And then with the coconut oil, it just adds a whole new flavor note. I'm gonna put a label on this, and I will be putting the date. You put the date on this, so you say garlic, ginger, and it's August 9th. So you know when it's going after a month. Once you see discoloration, or you smell anything like the smells are changing, then you know that you know, it's time to use it up. And yeah, see there, garlic, ginger, shake it up and remove all of the air bubbles. Yeah, move all of the air bubbles, and it can keep on this in your refrigerator for as long as you choose. Yeah. All right, join me again. Let us do some more prep. Let us do some more healthy recipes, tutorials. Sometimes I decide to go up on the road, I do look at vlogging. Everything is not 100%, but we make do, you understand? Remember, live and laugh, and cook and eat. Make sure say your family keep alright. Enjoy the summer. Now it's back to school, and the picnic them will go back to school, so do your best, yeah, and keep on loving Jesus. Hey, big up on yourself.